Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Kusan, we talk about stock market, we talk about trading, we talk about forex, whatever it is that will make us money, right? We're gonna be talking about it. PSEi is on a surprise bull run against all odds, even if nagkagulo sa mundo, even if ghost month. Still, PSEi is giving us a green day. And ang ganda ng green ng PSEi ngayon, 1.81%. That's very big. And the breakout pa nga sa previous resistance, that should be something that we should be happy about. I'm glad I was wrong. Right? Kaya yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Just in case you're wrong, pwede kayong mag-test buy lang muna. You don't really have to go aggressive. If you did your test buys, you should be earning right now, especially if tama yung mga stocks na linagyan ninyo. Since market did go up still. Right? Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood dyan. If you're a newbie, this is the best program that you are watching. If you have any questions, if there's something you don't understand in what you're doing right now sa investment inyo, then yeah, post it in the comments if you have any questions para masagot po natin. Right? I'm gonna do my best in my power experience to really answer you. One moment. Alright. So, PSEi, update muna tayo. I've been starting to research about Pi Network since I really want to understand it first before we really want to dwell into it. So, let's talk about that in a bit. Sige. Yeah. Alright. PSEi, let me share my screen. Nga pala, please share this video. Share nyo po sa mga kaibigan ninyo. If you have, sharing the wrong screen. Minsan paiba-iba yung settings, sir. I'm not really sure why. This should be the right screen that I should be sharing kasi yun yung live ko kanina. That was the OBS that you're seeing. Andun yung mga controls ko sa live. Anyways, ayun. PSEi. Green today. Up 118 points. 0.77 to be exact. We're up 1.81%. Net foreign buying tayo, at the very least, 90 million. It's not really that big compared to sa mga lumabas na pera from foreign investors in the past few days. But this is something, right? What's showing us right now, what's good is it is showing a higher high. Right, let me just load my chart layout. Tingnan natin yung RSI nga overall. Pero yeah, buying naman kasi ngayon. So RSI should be good. Pero tingnan natin sa previous top kasi niya. Previous high. Yung RSI sa previous high. PSEi. There we go. Healthy naman. Right? Pataas yung presyo. RSI is still also going up. So, it's a healthy climb. Right? Again, PSEi is defying all odds. But ito yung sinasabi ko, most probably if PSEi is gonna go green today, most probably this will go sideways. Hindi siya mag-uptrend talaga. And that's my prediction, but I could be wrong. The thing with the stock market is, wag kayong maniniwala sa mga predictions. Right? You just use it as your reference. Pero, kasi wala pong, nobody can really predict the market. Yan po yung rule number 1 when it comes to stock trading. Right? I have my opinions. Basing on the circumstances, most probably ito mangyayari, pero hindi po 100% yan. Right? So, what you want to do with in the market talaga is position yourself on the what ifs. What if mali? I mean, yeah, my prediction was market should go sideways. So now we're on the resistance levels. What if tama ako and it goes down? Then your action should be in between now. On the what ifs, okay lang ang position ninyo. Kasi if your decision is, what if this happens and then you're on a large losing position, then that's bad. So what I'm saying is, position yourself in a not bad position on all the what ifs. What if umangat? Then, since nag-test buy lang kayo na maliit, this is what I've been telling you guys, test the markets lang muna. What if nag-test buy lang kayo and then the market did go up again today, then you should be in a very good position. You should be in a good position still. What if the market goes down? Then okay lang because our strategy is just buy some, and then if the market goes down and then it stabilizes, we're gonna be buying more. You're still in a good position. So whatever what ifs in the market, you should know your position, right? Let me change our music lang muna. Yan. Kasi masyado maingay na yun. Right, good evening pala sa kakapanood ko ng networking. Kakapanood mo ng networking. Kapapanood ko ng networking. Alright, XRP, this is from Louis Paracuelas. So let's go to the comments really quick. Right? Louis Paracuelas, magandang good morning. Kaya pala sa good morning. Yes, if pumapasok kayo sa networking, not just in networking, basically in sales industry, you have to have a hyped attitude. So kahit gabi, good morning talaga yan, right? Yeah, good morning to you. Ayan Fazonella is asking about BSC. Let's check out BSC, right? BSC, we already saw a very good support of BSC before. Right? Sabi natin kung nag-pullback at mag-bounce, that's gonna be your entry point. Sabi ko sa inyo is test buy nyo na. BSC, test buy it. And you see, sabi ko sa'yo, what if the market goes up? Then you're in a good position. If it goes down, since test buy lang ginawa niyo dito, you should have more budget and buy more at this location right here, because that's a very good support to get into for BSC. And since meron na tayong bottom signals right here, diba? So if you bought yesterday, good for you. Today, good for you. But yeah, it's still on a test buy level. So it's still a buy for me. Test buy lang. Don't be aggressive on the market. Di porket sinabi, sabi ni Sir Lloyd, test buy, lagay ko lahat ng pera ko dito. No. Doesn't work like that. Especially right now, the market's really not that thick yet, yung volume natin. Hindi pa gaanong kalakihan. So it's not really time to go aggressive. So test buys lang muna tayo. Right, next po. So that's for BSC, that's for Ayan. Louis Paracuelas. Good evening, sir. Ayan. Nakapanood ko na Turkey. XRP. Right, XRP USD. I think Bitcoin is still doing a pullback. So most probably the other coins are doing pullback also. XRP, BTC USD. Right. Nag-bounce si Bitcoin ngayon, right? But we're seeing bearish signals for Bitcoin. So I would say XRP, USD, right? It is on an uptrend. You are on the uptrend line right here. Next bounce should be a good test, pero dapat strict trades na kayo dito. I don't want you to really hold on to this at this position. Dapat nagka-cut loss na kayo at this level. Strict trade na lang. You don't have to invest na. Dito yung magandang position trades kasi. This is where you want to be an investor, and if ever it goes down, you can be a holder at this level. Pero ngayon, masyado mataas na. Trades na lang for XRP. Next green is your buy point, cut loss below that. Sir Lloyd, sell all na po ba kay Emperador or mas better po i-tranche? Good, congratulations sa Emperador position mo, Giler. Right, Villaflor. How much did you buy it once again? Right, galing. Emperador, one of the biggest winners for today. 12.83%. It is showing bearish signals though. So, bukas, if ever magsimula na siyang pumula, take some profits, please. Right? Take profits kayo. Take some profits. Sell in tranches. Use MA20 as your support this time. Right? At yung support nyo, if ever, or you can even use your buy level if ever okay lang sa inyo. Yung buy level niyo is gonna be your break-even on the other side, on the other half. So, overall, panalo pa rin kayo sa trades niyo. Or you can use MA20 as your support. Nakita nyo kasi, nag-break na MA20 pero bumalik rin kaagad. Right? So, use MA20 as your support and then sell all nyo na pag na-break yung MA20. So, ganun. Take profits here, then sell all here. Secure your profits. Congratulations. Gilier Naval Villaflor. Good trade right here. Galing. Ishi Marimat, good evening. Ping Waping, good evening, Sir Lloyd. How are you po? Any thoughts po kay Monde and Del Monte? My thoughts are, we talked about Monde yesterday. Problem natin kay Monde is, it is playing near the resistance levels. So nakita nyo, bumaba rin kaagad. Much better sana. This is the best case scenario na entry nyo kay Monde, because most probably worst case scenario is gonna go sideways lang. or mag-breakout. Right? There's no buy position right now for Monday. Del Monte. Right? So Del Monte still on a downtrend. Right? It broke the support right here. Maybe it will stabilize soon. RSI, no signals just yet, so you don't have to be aggressive at this level. Support though of Del Monte, meron tayong major support previously dito. And that's where it did the bounce. In this kind of market, again, you don't have to go aggressive. All you need to do is look for confirmations or test buy. You can test buy it here, or you want to go for confirmation and create a support right there. That's where you test buy. Pwede pong ganun. Mas maganda yung ganun sa ganitong market. As for Del Monte, Ishi, good evening, Sebastian. XRP and Ethereum. Si ETH din, ETH USD. It's on a pullback also. Holding on to MA20 but meron tayong kasi dito mga pre. Meron tayong resistance dito. So, not really resistance but bearish signal. This is a hidden divergence, bearish divergence wherein pataas ang presyo, pababa ang RSI. What is this chart telling us technically so that you'll understand? Right, what happens is, we are seeing that the buying is going higher, di ba? Previous high is here. Ngayon, mas mataas na yung buying natin. It looks bullish, right? Kasi may bumibili pa sa 326, 3305. True. If you look at the buying right there, they're still buying. But what I like about RSI is it tells you the strength of buying, right? Since it's above 50, then we're going to be looking at the strength of the buying. Compared, this one right here, the current high, compared to the previous high, mas mataas, mas malakas ang buying. So this one, ang lakas ng buying dito. Ngayon, tumaas ang presyo, but the buying is starting to lose momentum. That's a bearish signal. Meaning, mas konti na lang ang bumibili kahit na mas mataas ang presyo. It's not really bullish, right? Because that's why it's called hidden bearish, hidden divergence, right? So, showing us bearish signals, it's bouncing at MA20. I don't recommend this anymore. No. I don't think Bitcoin is gonna rally like a hype rally like this one right here. So, it's bound to do pullbacks. So, most probably, it's gonna do a pullback anytime soon, and then let's try to catch stabilization in the future. If you really are aggressive, okay lang naman si Ethereum and Bitcoin aggressive. Nag-bounce naman si Bitcoin sa MA20. So most probably Ethereum is gonna bounce also at MA20. You can test that. If you really want to trade this, use MA20 as your support. Right. Kaya Mike, sir, what's your strategy on setting a stop loss? Nag-set kasi ako ng stop loss sa crypto, pero nung na-hit yung stop loss, tumaas pa. Alright, so ganito kasi yan. If you are trading, predetermine ano yung stop loss niyo. Yun yung problema sa crypto talaga, right? Because crypto is very volatile, we don't recommend putting stop loss sa crypto unless na napaka strict ng cut loss niyo. It's okay to do stop loss. Ang problema kasi kay crypto talaga, that's why it's really hard to trade crypto because of the volatility. I-hit lang yung stop loss niyo, tapos babalik na lang siya, magwi-whip siya. That's whenever it's volatile, whenever an asset is volatile, scalping is a good trade for that. Dapat nagsa-scalping lang kayo. Meaning, because if it's bullish, then wait for breakouts, then what you get in. Yung bots natin is into scalping. Scalping yung strategy ng mga bots natin. Yun yung magandang strategy when it comes to a volatile asset. You don't position trade crypto because it's very volatile. It will just hit your stop. There's a reason why sa eToro, hindi nyo masa-stop loss ng 10%, 5% si crypto. Kasi you're just gonna be wasting your money. Right? It's not good to put stop losses in crypto unless you're scalping. Because it's very volatile. It's just gonna whip your stop loss for it to just come back once again. And then, yun, you're just gonna be wasting your money. Mahirap kay crypto is stop loss. Right? Yan. Again, that's why eToro is not allowing stop loss kay crypto na nasa 5%, 10%. 50% na stop loss ni crypto sa eToro because of that. Boss Patanaw say MARC. Wala isa pa yan. This is from PJ Tahan-Tahan. Let's check out MARC. Right. MARC engulfing. And we have a confirmation of a support. Next green, you can trade this one right here. Right? I think, pero ang problema kasi kay MARC is its earnings for this year is down. So, with that, I don't want to trade this stock. Kahit na maganda yung technical analysis niya. Right? It's showing us good technical analysis right here. There's divergence right here. If you want to trade this, man, go ahead. It's not my system, pero technical analysis is really looking good. So, pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be your support. That's a buy. Me and my system kasi is I don't trade stocks that are not performing well because I'm playing with odds. And, yeah. I'm not gonna trade this. Personally, ako. Technical analysis though, it's looking good. Sakit ng leg ko. Right. Taasan ko lang ng konti or babaan ko lang yung upuan. Right, ganun. Much better. Kind of a busy day for us. Nagpa-vaccine kasi kami kanina. Tada! Hopefully nakapag-vaccine na rin kayo. Sakit ng braso ko nga eh. Anyways, let's move forward. Asa na yun? Mark, Gigi Miares, good evening Sir Lloyd. Good evening sa lahat. Good evening to you, Gigi. Kilier, great trade man. Ishimara, thank you for tagging your friend. Tantan, og sa 1-inch USD put boss. This is crypto, right? 1-inch USD. Price na pinapakita, I think this is gonna pull back. MA20 is gonna be your support. So, that's gonna be where you wanna enter. Pero pare-pares lang ang formation na nila Bitcoin halos. Tignan nyo na sa Bitcoin, nang pull back sa Bitcoin, yung nag-bounce sa MA20, and that's what, basically, this most probably will mirror that. So, that's where you buy it. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check naman po si SCC. This is from Norvin Barrios. Alright. Sabi ni Guillier Naval Villaflor, bought Emperador po sa 12.95. Ginamit ko po Fibonacci and inad ko sa watchlist ko. Learning a lot from you po. Thank you. Alright. Great, man. Fibonacci retracements. We had a lesson about Fibonacci retracements. The company's doing well, so it's bound to really recover right away. So yeah, SCC though hit all-time high right here, pero bearish na po tayo for SCC, and that's a reverse head and shoulder pattern right there. That's not a trade you want to get into since nasa taas yan. Ang daming stocks na nasa baba. Doon tayo maghanap. Wag po dito. And it's always already showing bearish signals. I will stay away from this. Even if lumipad pa to ulit and mali ako. As long as I followed my trading system, it's okay for me if I miss this. Right? I don't recommend that. Alfredo Kisto, good evening. Joe Castillo, good evening, Sir Lord. ASEN po, thank you. Let's check out ASEN. O nga pala, before we go for ASEN, right, guys. Yan, update tayo kay Valkyrie. This is from my FX book. Right, so this is a verified account. And just to make sure, yan. So, gains natin kay Valkyrie, almost 1 month already. August 17, 2 days more to go. Para mag 1 month yung Valkyrie ng account na ito. Right? I created an account for public para may pakita ko sa inyo. Ayaw ko ipakita yung main account ko. But technically, it has the same performance. It's just that yung amount lang ang hindi parehas. Right? So right now, after a month, Valkyrie's performance on this account is 8.84%. That's amazing. Considering isang buwan lang ito, and it all is already beating banks. Right? Yung bangko ninyo isang taon, magkano ang return? Diba? It's sad. Sad to talk about it, pero kaya nga, sakit talaga ng leeg ko, guys. Pasensya na. I was out earlier kasi. Anyways, yeah, 8.84. Hopefully, you have already started with Valkyrie. If not yet, and you don't know what Valkyrie is an not really AI. It's not artificial intelligence, but it is an algorithm. It is a program na linagay lang po namin ang technical analysis, ganito ganyan, or someone created the system, yung technical analysis andyan, sila na po ang nag-program niyan sa mga signals. Like, this is the buy signal. Pag RSI, ganito, ganyan, ganito, ganyan. And then, if ever it finds that position in the asset that it is gonna be set to trade in, it's gonna buy, it's gonna sell. So far, it's doing well for me. Wala po akong ginawa dito. This is passive income for me already. Right? So, what was that? Sorry. Yeah, so this is passive income already for me. Yung bot na po ang nagtitrade para sa akin. Thank you so much for Emily for the stars. If ever you're looking for investment, passive income na high risk, high reward, I will say high risk because we're trading in Forex. Whenever you trade in the money markets, it is high risk already because you compare it to bonds, compare it to your VULs, compared to other slow-moving assets, mas high risk talaga siya. That's why we consider it high risk. But yeah, the higher the risks, the higher the rewards. Consider that, 8.84% in just 1 month. So, if you want to know more about it, andyan po sa video description. And, andyan yung video ng Valkyrie. If you want to register for it, I hope you will. Andyan po sa video description. Izanagi, though, is a different monster. Izanagi is a higher risk compared na bot compared to Valkyrie. So if you can afford higher risk na position, I will recommend Izanagi. This is a free bot. Libre lang po ang bot na ito. Look at the result. This is a public account. This is verified already. Kahit i-refresh pa natin yan. This is a verified account, 108.99% returns, right? This account started January 18, and after 8 months exactly, it already is up 108.99% in 8 months. Kung gusto niyo po ito, then just understand the risks involved. If you want to know more about the risks and how to set this up, andyan rin po sa video description yung video nito. Okay? So that you'll understand this. Kasama ko dito si Z-Freaks sa bot na ito, sa Izanagi. Gusto niya ito kasi high-risk trader si Izanagi. Right? I mean si Z-Freaks. So, watch that video and then andyan rin po yung video registration. Very nice. Yung bot na po ang mag-trade sa inyo. After setting it up, si bot na ang bahala sa trades niyo. It medyo hassle siya sa simula kasi you have to set up for VPS, gagawa kayo ng trading account pa na i-control ng bot, etc. But once this is set up and forget. Iwan nyo na to dito, ang bot na ang bahala mag-trade sa inyo. Si Valkyrie, premium bot ito. So may bayad siya. Pero sobrang sulit. It's around 600 pesos a month yung mababayaran nito. 600 to 700 pesos. But look at that. I'm already up $44 sa bot na ito. With just a $500 account, 25k account, sobrang bawi na yung investment ko kay Valkyrie, di ba? So, yeah, check this out also. Right, so let's go back. Punta ulit tayo. Thank you for letting me plug those bots. Right? Yun yung fino-focus ko yun. ASEN, right? ASEN. I'm focusing on the bots right now. We're monitoring bots. Me, I'm looking for other bots out there. So far, sa Valkyrie tsaka si Izanagi yung best for us. Check it out. ASEN man is showing bearish signal, so I guess hindi magpapatuloy to si ASEN. I could be wrong, but not my kind of trade. It's already up there. Hanap kayo ng mga pullbacks na ganito. Hanap kayo ng mga reverse head and shoulder patterns na mga ganito. Those are better entries for you guys instead of this one right here. Magandang pattern dito would be a breakout from this pattern. Yun yung susunod yun na entry, but it's showing bearish signals, so I don't like that anymore since nasa taas si ASEN. Rowena Villa, DMC please, mayong gabi. Let's check out. Ayan. Sir, good evening. Sakto yung sabi nyo kay Monde kagabi. Tataas pa po kaya siya ulit until Friday. We can't really say, John Oliver Monges. What you can do really is just react to the market. As much as possible, wag niyong pangungunahan ng market. Technical analysis, yes, is there to really give us guidelines. Pero the market will do its thing. Always expect the unexpected. We hope na umakyat siya But that's not how you trade. What in trading, what you just do is you don't predict the market, you react to the market. If ever the market gives you this signal, then we react to it by doing something, right? I just teach you the right reaction. And if this happens, then you know what to do, cut loss if ever needed, ganito ganyan, or how to sell, ganito ganyan. Right? Right. So, DMC looking good. It already did a breakout right here. I think we covered DMC yesterday. Sabi ko sa inyo na sa next bounce, pwede nyo pasukin. Pero ang taas ng bounce niya kaagad, gap up yung bounce. That's very good for DMC. Ganda rin naman ang earnings niya. I don't want you to go aggressive, guys. I really want you to be patient and wait for a good pullback before you want to get in. Right? Mas maganda kasi yon in this kind of market. I don't want you to go aggressive. Right? So, pullback and bounce is the best entry. Best case scenario right here. This is for Rowena, Villa, Kel, Mike, sir, what's your strategy on setting a stop loss? I don't put stop loss in crypto. You don't do that in crypto because of the because of the tawag dyan. The term is really volatility. Sobrang volatile kasi na crypto. It's just gonna hit your stop loss every now and then for it to really just recover back up. Kasi kahit na uptrend siya, so because of this volatility, bababa siya tapos magko-continue na naman pataas. It's really hard to trade, position trade sa crypto. It's really hard to really position trade na magsa-stop loss kayo. Maganda talaga sa crypto is position at the bottoms and then hold. Kaya Mike, sir, what's your strategy? Nabasa natin to. R. Lauren Mendoza, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Sir, pa-check po ako ng disclosure ni Dito. Thanks. May disclosure pala si Dito. I haven't been following it since I'm not really trading Dito. Right, so revenue, 70% negative. That's to be expected. Tignan natin to. Sir, nag-auto-compounding ba yung earnings ni Izanagi? Yes po, nag-auto-compounding pa rin. O nga pala, sa mga nanonood sa atin na meron ng Valkyrie at Izanagi, can you please share to me, put it in the comments, how is it doing for you guys? Right. Additional update, Compercept disclosure, acquisition of 1% shares of Unidecoms, media holdings, UCM exchange for issuance of. Wala naman to. Alam na naman natin to noon. So, it's not really big. So, it doesn't really matter. But dito, told you next bounce is gonna be your entry point. It's time to buy dito. Right? And then, ang gawin nyo dito is test buy. Just in case it goes further down, you buy some more. Huwag kayong mag-aggressive in this kind of market. Okay? Sir GFC and DDMPR, please. This is from Norman Magat. Right, let's go. JFC. FC. Jollibee Foods Corp. Looking good. Looking good. RSI starting to look up. So this is good for JFC. I would say, test buy nyo na sa JFC sa mga gustong mag-invest kay JFC. Right? Yun nga lang, lockdown na naman kasi, so most probably JFC is gonna have a hard time recovering their income. But this is a good dip for GFC, especially sa mga gusto mag long-term kay GFC. This is where you buy it and then buy some more dito if ever bumaba man at 175. I mean, not 175, but around 160, 165. Right? Right? Again, clear, nabasa na natin to. Emily, magandang gabi. Thank you for the 50 stars. Ping Sir Lloyd, last na po. Pwede po ba mag-buy ng kay Annie for tomorrow? Maraming salamat. Kumusta na si Annie? I've been telling you guys na ibodegan nyo na to. Yeah, that's a buy. Pull back and bounce for Annie. Congratulations. I would say, bodegahin nyo pa rin si Annie. Sobrang lakas ni Annie dito sa support na ito. Hindi pa rin siya nagra-rally up. But the downtrend right here, the major downtrend is already done. So that's a good position right there. You buy some Annie. That's a buy for me. Good find. Rosario Rosal, good PM, good evening po. Sir, nag-auto-compound from GJ Torres. Yes, Izanagi is also a set and forget bot and it's for free. Yun nga lang, mas higher yung risk niya. I'll show you the risks appetite, if this is the risk appetite for you guys. So Izanagi, we're looking at Izanagi results. Sa long positions niya, 67% yung win rate. It's still very good. Shorts na position niya, 65% win rate. Very good. So you know for sure that within the year, kahit ang daming nangyayari, even if the issues in Afghanistan, ganito, ganyan, Izanagi is still earning. Right? Yun nga lang, this is what you wanna look at, the drawdown. Drawdown. Meaning, itong mga yellow na itong na bumabagsak, this is the port na bumagsak in a day. It can drop to 10% in a day. So if you're up for that, the lowest it got is 26.87%. But overall, that happens since high risk naman siya. But overall, it is going up still. And now it's already up 108.99. So if you want to look at this, yung risk appetite nyo, if kaya ninyo to, this is 1 is to 4. Almost 1 is to 4. If not, more than 1 is to 4 exactly. I can't say exactly 1 is to 4. Pero 1 is to 4 risk to reward ratio is already very good. It's just that malaki lang yung drawdown niya. Kung hindi kayo risk trader talaga, masa-stress kayo dito. Makita nyo bigla yung port ninyo nagde-negative 20%. Masa-stress kayo. Right? So, if ever okay lang sa inyo because you're looking at the results, which is recovery niya, and it's already up 108.99%. If you have extra funds right there na okay lang sa inyo na ilagay sa high risk, put it in Izanagi. One thing better about Izanagi is it's for free. Compare it to the risk of Valkyrie. Nakita nyo po dito. Trading ni Valkyrie, look at this. 78% win rate on the long positions. On the short positions, 90% win rate in 1 month. Right? Pero, malitan lang ang kita niya. And the drawdown is what I love the most. 2.38% ang pinakamababa inabot ng port ko. For an 8.84% gain in just 1 month, I would say that's amazing in isang buwan pa lang ito na performance. We don't know for sure ano mangyayari sa kanya in the next coming months. Pwede lumaki pa itong drawdown, pero pwede pa rin lumaki ito. But for now, 1 month na performance niya is already very good. We have back testing video po andyan sa video description. Makikita nyo, last 15 years na trading data with the system. Amazing. Even in low risk position, 5,000% ang gains niya. Amazing. Right? So, sobrang sulit. I still strongly recommend you guys test it out. Right, so, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ano po thoughts niyo about Pi Network from Chaz De Castro? Number 1 is, sige, close up tayo. As we still have time, it's 8:35. Number 1 is, it is blocking the fact na networking siya with technicalities. And that's a red flag for me. Right? The fact that it is in a networking business module, that means that your money is not working efficiently. Why? The thing I hate the most about networking is yung pera na instead na overall pera mo linagay mo sa investment, lagay mo sa kay Izanagi, lagay mo kay Valkyrie na walang napupunta na pera talaga. Yes, the broker gets something out of it. But yeah, compared to a networking na yung yung nasa taas mo, yung nasa taas niya, yung nasa taas ng nasa taas niya, mabibigyan kasi ng portion ng kita mo. That means the money is not going there. Right? Where they are saying that it is going to go out yung Pi na crypto na yan lalabas publicly. Look at this. Kailan pa ang Pi Network? Bakit hindi pa nila nilalabas? When did Pi Network start? Picoin, Pi Network. Right. So, Pi Network is at nagsimula siya 14th of March 2019 after 2020, after 2021. It's still not yet in the market because ang kita dyan is still in networking, right? They're inviting you to join Pi Network because they can earn more if they invite everyone, and technically that's where the earning is coming from. It's not really from legitimate buying and selling, ganito ganyan. It's not really from demand, but the money is coming from under you, under those under you. And it's sad. I don't like that. I don't like that business model. I could be wrong, right? Kasi sinasabi nila pwedeng tumaas ang ganito ng ganyan si Pi, since crypto naman siya, ganito ganyan. I could be wrong, but what turns me off is the networking part of it, right? Why not just sell Pi right away? Bakit kailangan pa mag-networking for you to earn? If you have a very good project for your Pi, why not just sell it directly, di ba? Mas maganda ganun kaysa in-networking nyo pa. Right? If you are a buyer kay crypto, meron ba ibang buyer dyan? Bakit kayo pumapasok kay Pi Network? It's because you're being hyped, na-hype kayo, and people are telling you na ganito ang earnings, ganito, ganyan. That's what sales people do. They will blind you with the possible earnings. So that's another red flag. And what do I mean by they will blind you with the possible earnings? Because of the earnings, ganito ganyan, you tend to focus on the earnings. Hindi nyo nakikita tuloy yung business model. The business model is crypto. The business model is, yes, number one is crypto, pero hindi pa rin lumalabas yung crypto nila. Kasi in reality, it's a networking business model. So meaning, may mga pumapasok to reach to a point na maingay na talaga siya. And after that, wala. Because at that certain point, wala nang gustong pumasok. And once na a networking business model, wala nang pumapasok, asa na? Wala nang pera ibibigay kayo sa upline, wala nang pera ibibigay sa upline. Kawawa yun nasa baba, which tend to be so many people. That's why I don't like it, right? If you have a good business, pwede nyo na may networking, pero hindi nyo, as much as huwag nyo na yung networking, mga overpriced kasi. Diba? So, ang dami pang bibigyan sa taas, If ever Pi really is good, then let's trade it in the market in the future. If ever lalabas talaga si Pi, tingnan natin yung technical analysis niya. Para saan talaga, ano ba yung fundamentals ni Pi as a coin? Diba? What are your thoughts? I may be wrong. There may be some things that I missed. If you're already in Pi Network, no offense, please post in the comments why you think you entered Pi. What made you get in Pi, right? Post it in the comments, right? And then again, not for it. Sir Lloyd, pacheck naman po si LHC. Let's go back to charting. This is from Chaz de Castro. Thank you po for insights. Keep safe po. Right, ganito lang there is always opportunity out there naman eh. Pi Network could be an opportunity. Again, I could be wrong. Pwede siyang lumipad in the future, right? Nobody knows. Just that you have to know the risks involved, right? Ganito lang yan, right? You have to understand the risks involved. What if Pi Network collapses since wala nang papasok? How are you still gonna earn? May Pi ka. Hindi pa nga siya lumalabas sa market, di ba? So, ubus yung pera mo dyan, di ba? Dito, I've been teaching you about stock market, trading international markets. I've been sharing to you about Izanagi and the Valkyrie bots where I even explain to you the risks involved talaga. Because yes, the earnings are there, but it's important that I also share to you the risks involved. Hindi yung puro kita lang. Ito yung kita namin, ganito ganyan. Kasi madalas budol yan. You have to understand the risk. The person that is sharing you about it should be sharing about the risks also. Then that's where you make your decision. Yung risk and reward, tignan ninyo yung potential. And make sure it's legit. Alright, anyways, more power, Sir Lloyd. Thoughts on FOO and APL. Of FOO, APL, and IPO on all-day ni Villar. Again, IPOs right now, I'm not really a fan of IPOs right now because wala pang ganong investors talaga. So, it could be good come trading day, scalping nyo na lang if ever you know how to scalp. I don't really enter IPOs kasi ang nangyayari kasi ngayon is pwede bang pumasok kay IPO kasi baka mag-ceiling siya the next day, ganito, ganyan. And you're gambling already. Right? I'm a trader. I look at market sentiments talaga with technical analysis. I do not enter IPO because there's no technical analysis involved. And I don't like that kind of trading kung nanguhula ako kung aakit siya or bababa. Because you're already gambling. Diba? If you go for IPO, make sure you are in it for the fundamentals. Buy the IPO. If it goes down, then you buy more because you love the company, you like the company. Speaking of that, we're gonna be inviting Kapayama Arnel later part of this week for the IPO for the fundamentals of those IPOs. Make the decision from that point on. Huwag kayo papasok kay IPO kasi you think that it's gonna go up on the next day or not. Right? That's the wrong approach when it comes to IPO. And that's the reason why I don't enter IPO since wala pang technical analysis involved. FOO for APL, that's just gonna add to the stock of to the number of stocks out there. So usually, if mura naman yung FOO nila, that's good. I need to know more about it before I wanna go. I wanna say about it. Handaan nyo yung tanong na yan pagkasama natin si Kapayaman Arnel. Because most probably, they know the prices, they know how much, they know the status of the company, alam nila saan papunta yung FOO na yan. LHC, meron tayong triangle dito. It's going red. Pero yeah, if this breaks out from this triangle, that's gonna be your entry point for LHC. Sir, good evening po. Nasend po ba ng catalyst kagabi about APL? Wala eh. Most probably, ito na yung catalyst niya. FOO ba? For APL. Right, so, I don't find that as a catalyst really. APL, still, I would say, pula siya ngayon. Pag bukas na green yan, test buy. Right? You don't have to go aggressive in the market. If the market's looking well, surprisingly bullish naman siya. So I think it's a net foreign buying naman today. I would say buy it on the green for APL. AP naman. Thank you so much naman na nagsasend ng stars. Thank you so much. Papunta sa stock side yan actually, hindi pupunta sa akin. So, but still, thank you. Alright, so AP, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, sobrang ganda ng support dito. And, voila. Na-miss na natin yan. Wait for the breakout. Yun yung entry natin dyan. Giancarlo invested in PNB way 97 and now got huge gain around 2,000 pesos? Around 2,000, lol. So, sabi ni, invested in PNB way back, 97. Got the huge gain around 2,000 pesos. Lol. Is it the PNB stock? Or, nag-savings account kayo doon? Is it time deposit something? So, yeah, sadly. Year 2000, sabi ni. Year 2. Huge gain around year 2000. Alright, that's good. That's good. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Galing. That's the power of investment. That's why speaking of investment, guys. Good news, we already opened cage number 4 for mangingisda.org. Hopefully you already know about mangingisda.org. If not yet, meron tayong page for mangingisda.org. Facebook page, check it out, mangingisda.org right here. And you can go to mangingisda.org website directly. Right, let me just share. Close up na muna. Mangingisda.org directly. Somehow it's not yet loading. I don't know why. Alright, it's loading now. So mangingisda.org, if you don't know what mangingisda.org is yet, go directly to the website kasi meron diyang full video of our costs. Click on this so that you will know what mangingisda.org is. More information about this in this page right here. And we are already, let me go, login lang muna ako. We have, let's see, pakita ko sa inyo. ilang cages available. Mabagal na site ngayon I don't know why. Maybe because maraming pumapasok ngayon. Sir, thoughts po kay MPI? Sir, target nyo sa AP. Price target natin for AP is 25, 34. Right, if you see sell-offs right there, you sell some already. Yeah, check out mangingisda.org. Meron tayong open na mga cages kasi. Right, so let me sign in. Cages. Well, cage number 4. AT is already taken. So, mabilis lang. Kaka-open lang namin ito kanina. So, there are only 20 slots left. 20 slots left available sa cage number 4. So, bilisan nyo if ever nag-aabang kayo kay mangingisda.org. Get the 20 if you want to. Right? You can contact mangingisda.org and have it reserved for you guys. But yeah, it's been this business has already been running for 20, what do you call this? For no, not 20, but 2 years already. We have time, I believe so. It's 8:48. Why not? I'll share to you what mangingisda.org is, right? Let's go back to mangingisda.org. Let's see if I can share this to you. Please give me this time to really share to you guys what mangingisda.org is. Alright, so view full video.
Si ka DC Dasar, National Director sa BIPAR 2012. So kaning nga area i-propose na mo nga mahimong mariculture park. Dahil bagyo dili man siya maigo sa bagyo, kunya ang mga pandre ang salinite o kira sa kuan sa Bangos Fish Culture. 2013 nagsugod ang mariculture park sa Lucena. Muna na charge na Lupisay na Mariculture Park. Duha man ni siya sa Region 10. Balingasag Mariculture Park o Lupisay na Mariculture Park.
Ako si Renato Liesol. Akong trabaho sa una, mechanical engineer ko sa power plant sa Napocor, National Power Corporation. Napunta ko ni nga negosyo tungod kay doon na magkoy kaila kauban ako sa Saudi. Kay gikan ko sa Napocor, nag-Saudi man ko. Nagsabot mi nga kami mga OFW magkuan mi magtampo-tampo mi para maka-create mi og grupo nga makakuan mi negosyo. In kaso og mahunong nami sa among pagtrabaho sa gawas, doon nami pullback. Kini siya negosyo mong napili kay unas tanan ang location, maayom gud ang location dire. As we have observed, ang kining isla dire, kubi ba kub. So bisag maghangin-hangin pa, bisag magbagyo-bagyo pa, dili kayo siya masudlan og kusog nga hangin. So dili mi kuyawan og nay bagyo, kapila na nagbagyo katong Yolanda kusog kayo. Wala man kay siya mapiktare.
channel. Pure Biaso. Marang pasalamat ko ani negosyo kay nakatabang sa mga sa kalisod. Then nakatabang bisag kuan bagyo nakapait ng bugas. Tugod lang ang negosyo. Salamat.
Naka-operate diri nga 200 ka mga fish cages. As of now, 68 na lang gid ang nabilin na fish cage. Problema sa financial ay dako man gud ang gastoon gud sa usa ka cage, mga 600,000. Dako man gid ang gasto. So ang mga tagiya sa fish cage tikit makahimo og financial ani nga cage, pero kung adto ang adto bangko kay mulon ora medyo apiki man gyud kay tungod sa kadako yung mato po sa uban nga kanang mga tagiya o mga naay financial ma-charge po na siya og yung shark. So mahulog ra gihapon nga ang imong kitaon tabla ra gihapon, mura ra gihapon ka og kanang murag caretaker lang gihapon ka sa inyo. So mo na may tabo nga daghang kay ang fish cage kung naka-operate.
Ang pinaka-problema ng mga mangingisda dito is access to finance. Kasi po, karamihan ng mga mangingisda, wala pong gaanong pera. And per operation, dito sa isang fish cage will cover around 600 to 700,000 pesos. So kasi wala silang pera na ganun kalaki, their option is to loan from the bank. And if mag-loan man sila, mahirapan po sila kasi wala silang pwedeng collateral. So if hindi sila ma-approve ng loan, the only option that they have is to go for financiers. Financiers po ang tawag nila dito. Doon sa atin, we call them loan sharks. Ang ending po is napakakonti lang po ang napupunta sa mga mangingisda. Karamihan po halos napupunta sa financiers and minsan wala pa nga nakukuha ang isang mangingisda. Kaya po hindi po sustainable dito mag-operate because of that. So to solve that problem, the organization here, our association, ang mga mangingisda ng Northern Mindanao Association, created mangingisda.org as the finance arm of the association para po we can open up the business to those who are looking for somewhere stable to invest in. And you can invest in us now. Meron na po kayong option to invest in something that is stable and at the same time you are helping the fishermen of Mindanao.
All right, that's mangingisda.org. Right. It's a love project of not just me but my dad, who is the national director of BFAR in a certain year, 2012 ba yun? Hindi ko na maalala. But yeah, basically tinutulungan namin yung mga mangingisda doon sa Mindanao. This is our family business. Meron kami family business dito. And then we're running our own cages, pero yung nakikita namin yung iba kasi hindi nila kaya. And we ourselves cannot really give them money para new operation nila. So what we did was we created an organization with the fishermen, and then my daddy is my daddy. My dad is siya yung nagpa-manage sa organization. Siya yung nag-oversee ng businesses nila. Basically, if meron silang fish cage, yes, mangingisda.org will be the bridge kung saan may mga investors, hindi na kailangan pumunta sa loan sharks. And then, at least may pera na doon. Pero para naman wag pabayaan ng mga mangingisda yung pera doon. Yung dad ko, yung head, tsaka yung mga head ng organization is the one managing the fish cages for them. And then nagsishare profits for the organization, for the investors, tsaka sa mga mangingisda. And it's been doing well. It's already in its second year. Going third. We're already starting the third year already. So, doing well so far. And if ever gusto nyo pong makatulong and mag-invest at the same time, check out mangingisda.org, right? May nagtanong sa comments. Si Joel Antolin may ask, "Sir, what is your full-time job?" unemployed po ako. Wala akong trabaho. Technically, I have been into investing for a lot of investment already, right? So I'm happy to say na in my investment is enough. Yung passive income ko sa mga investments ko is already enough para tustusan yung lifestyle ko. So whatever I do now, kaya kong gawin. That's called financial freedom. That's why my page is Financial Freedom 101. So wala pa akong trabaho ngayon. Kaya anong gusto kong gawin? My passion really is into gaming since bata pa ako. That's why I have shoutcasting also. Meron akong gaming na page, sarili ko. And at the same time, helping people. And that's why there's Financial Freedom 101. Kahit maliit lang po ang kinikita ng Financial Freedom 101, okay lang sa akin yun. Kasi yung investments natin are already enough. And that's what I really wanna teach people. I really wanna help people when it comes to investments para marating rin nila yon in the future, di ba? Passive income, very good. Definitely. So kahit na wala akong ginagawa ngayon, I'm still earning from my other investments. Dividends, etc. Real estate, ganun. Right? Alright, Aldo sir, good day. Ada, Fibonacci, maganda po ba? Rebound for breaking all-time high. Yes, nagbabounce naman sa Bitcoin, so I think it's gonna do well. Definitely. Last na lang ng mga it's already 8:58. Meron kasing last dito na mga pinapacheck. Emily is asking about asan yun? MPI. Nasa baba si MPI ngayon so mukhang maganda yun. Alright, MPI. Ayun. Galing. Let it pull back and let it bounce. Next bounce is gonna be your entry point for MPI. We've been talking about MPI dito sa support nito with the divergence right there. That was beautiful. So congratulations sa mga nakapasok kay MPI dyan sa baba. About copper naman. Bilisan ko na lang to. Liza Paraiso is asking about copper. Let's open Pro Charts. Copper. And I'm happy to say that one of the reason why we're financially free is yung bot trading. I have a huge chunk of investment na nasa loob ng bot trading and it's doing well. Imagine 8% in a month and yung ibang accounts natin. Anyways, copper, mukhang magte-test ng support si copper at around, okay pa rin naman yung RSI niya. So at around 4.15 yung support niya. If you see a green in this area, that's a buyer. Right there, sideways trend po tayo. So sa pwede kayong mag range trade. Buy here and then sell on the resistances. Pwede pong ganun yung strategy dito. Right? SLP, sir. Let's check out SLP. Kamustahin na nga natin si SLP. SLP. SDT. Yan. So sad to say, SLP is still dropping. And I've been telling you about this. We've talked about SLP. Dito pa lang sa taas, sabi ko sa inyo, wag niyong pasukin kasi so with the game how the game is made right now, yung Axie, medyo nafa-flood talaga ng SLP ang markets. And that's the bubble right there. Sobrang dami ng supply. The demand is not that strong. That's where you're seeing it drop. Abangan natin sa baba. RSI is not even showing us any good signals for now. So, stay away from it, I would say, muna for SLP. Alright? That's it. And again, reminders, if you want to join the bot trading, it's passive income for you guys. If ayaw nyo mag-risk muna na malaki, start small. And if it's good for you, but my point is, try it. Because ako po mismo ang nag-try niyan para sa inyo. Kami po ni John, sinubukan po, tinest namin yung mga bot since last year pa. We really wanted to test it out for quite a number of times muna. We researched about it before namin i-share sa inyo. And it's been doing well for us. I'm sharing the opportunity to you guys. It's lesser risk for you since pinakita ko rin sa inyo na ako mismo nasa loob ako niyan. Right? So please check it out. Valkyrie for low risk traders like you guys, but it's not for free, pero ang ganda ng trades. Izanagi for high risk trading, ganda pa rin ng trades and it's for free. So it's up to you, right? Depende sa gusto ninyo. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining the live. Thank you so much for sharing. Sa mga hindi pa nagsishare dyan, share nyo po ulit. Sa mga nag-share na, share nyo ulit. That's it. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye everyone.